Let us write a very simple truth table for P implies not P. How does it look like? P will be 0, 1, not P will be 1, 0, and then you will get P implies not P, which means 0 implies 1, which is 1. 1 implies 0 means it is false, so it will be 0. This is how the truth table looks like. We need to now write the truth table for P XOR P or Q. Okay, how do we go about? P will be this, Q will be this. P or Q will be simply OR of this P column and Q column, which will give you 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and then we are XORing P, the first column, with P or Q, the third column. So what is exclusive OR? Precisely one of them should be true and the other one should be 0. As you can see, 0 XOR 0 will be 0, 0 XOR 1 will be 1, 1 XOR 1 will be 0. See how? That's how XOR works, right? Again, 1 XOR 1 will be 0. So the entries will be 0, 1, 0, 0. Let us write the truth table for this weird looking expression. Q and P implies and implied by Q. What do you mean by implies and implied by Q? I'll explain. So P entries, Q entries in the table, first two columns, and then P implies and implied by Q means when P is 0, Q should be 0, and vice versa. Both of them should be of the same value, same parity to be precise, right? Okay, so this will be 0 implies 0 means it should be 1. 0 implies 1 means, as I told you, they are of different parity, so this will be 0. 1 implies 0 will be 0. 1 and 1 will yield 1. Now, what should we find? Q and P is implied and implies Q. 0, 0, so which is basically the what we should do is second column and the third column we should take an AND, right? 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, right? I'm sure you all are as fast as me. There's nothing much here. So why are we doing all these things? Sounds like waste of time. No, you should get used to how to write truth tables. I mean, that's a very important skill, not something that will make you become a champion in computer science or math. It is just that someone who claims he knows everything about these operators should know how one writes truth tables. That's it.